Here we go. It's so, oh, it's so close. Oh, it's so close. Oh, it's so close. Oh, it's so close. Oh, oh my God. 3 years in the making to make that happen.
I've been staying away from that Supra because I know that's the most expensive thing in here. Purposely been walking around it. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out.
Here it is. Ooh. Oof. Oof, that's pretty clean. Ooh, leather back seats. Wow, that's clean.
I think my mind's made up. I think I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm getting. Hope this isn't a bad idea. I'm gonna test drive it. We're gonna test drive it. We're gonna see how it is. See how it feels. I told myself I wouldn't do this.
Every interior piece is in the car. Brand new shifter. Steering wheel has a little bit of wear. Low 40,000 miles. Stock. Nothing's been touched.
I gotta do it. I've never had a Supra and I've always wanted one, and you guys have literally been telling me to get a Supra for so long. Like, the most requested thing I see everywhere is Supra, 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 Supra. It's the most expensive. It's in the 50s, but I don't think I can pass it up. I think I have to do it.
Oh my gosh, my heart is beating so fast.
That's not bad. Oh, thing's fast.
Sounds the same.
No.
No?
No, that is louder.
Are you sure?
Yes, 110%. It's still not like really, really loud, but it finally gives that like 2JZ Supra noise you're looking for.
get some rolling shots of Dan driving the car because I haven't seen this thing drive and you guys haven't seen it yet. Oh my gosh. I feel like a little girl right now. Oh, there's the clutch chatter. But the clutch feels good. It's ACT's clutch and it feels really, really good, but it's just aggressive, but we needed that. Oh my God, bro. Wow. And the camera doesn't do it justice, but like, it just looks so wide from the back with that setup that we have. It looks insane. Oh my gosh.
We got 4 more, baby! Whoa! Am I gonna be able to money? Am I gonna comment down below? Am I able to money?
That last one was 695.9. Calvin's guess was 696.4.
696.9.
And 600 foot-pounds of torque. My God. Seven, 705, 639 foot-pounds of torque on a stock bottom end. Oh, she's got some juice, bro. We let all of our neighbors around here in Mexico what was going on not to be alarmed, because in today's world, you should let people know they're gonna be doing this. It gets a little loud, it gets a little bit dodgy.
It's a little, yeah, it's a little scrat-a-pow, you know?
Danny, if you want to be in the driver's seat, I'll put you in the driver's seat.
No, it's okay, you can do it.
Okay.
If you see it get past 6, let off.
All right, so I went to 5.
There you go, it's activated.
Okay.
Perfect.
Cool.
Oh wow, that was really loud, Teach. That was super loud. Doesn't want the he wants.
My God, that one, dude, that scared me.
I like that.
Like that, okay?
Bro,
Get this.
we dropped to the ground.
Wow, how many pounds of boost was that?
Well, you stopped there.
It was about to do it again.
TJ, you don't want to be that close, bro. Guys.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, dude. Ow, dude. Not even funny. My left ear is ringing. Dude.
You almost Mustanged us, my dude! Look at ass!
Did you hear those cars honking as they went by?